17 years. It's got two biomes, the rainforest biome, which has got the largest rainforest in captivity, and the Mediterranean biome, which has got effectively a large Mediterranean environment. Eden has matured immensely over the last 17 years and always looking for opportunities for growth and to improve the experience for our visitors. We wanted to go electric because of that, really. We wanted a cleaner, greener fleet than the petrol and diesel vehicles that we had before, and Renault being the perfect partner for that. We currently have 13 Kangoo ZEs in our fleet and 4 Kangoo Maxis. With the new Kangoo Maxis as well, we can carry people around in them as well as the full loaded capacity in the back. We find the payload of the Kangoos exactly the same as our old vehicles. They're completely adequate for what we need. The size is great, the level of the back loaders is really good, the side access is really good to get bits and pieces in, and we also do deliveries around site on those vehicles. The Kangoo's running costs are about 4 pence a mile, and that's awesome because before they were running about 20 pence a mile. So we generate a small amount of electricity with a wind turbine. We've got one of those on site, and we've got electric chargers around the site that we use to charge the Kangoos. The Kangoos are really efficient too, because when we're off site we don't have to stop at petrol stations or to top up the vehicles. They're already charged up and the range on them is really good. Our vehicles go off site to Sinophilia breweries to collect beers, wines and spirits, and they also go to visit Druidan dairies to collect milk and other dairy products, which we also sell at cafes on site. The Eden projects always use local suppliers because that's part of its ethos. The whole point of the Eden project was, when it started up, to regenerate the area, and that means using local suppliers whenever possible. Over the last 17 years, the Eden project's transformed hugely, and part of that is joining up with Renault to actually move forward with our electric vehicles, and we'd like to expand that fleet further.